Okay. I don't know what was going on, but I don't think it was recording before, but this is Val, but this is how you do it. Willie and I are going for a ride, and we're going for a 45-minute ride, and we will be out for a little while, and I'm going to take footage as we go along the way. Oh, y'all want to see who talking? This is Val, but this is how she do it, how you do it, and I'm going to take y'all along with me. So buckle up and enjoy the ride. Talk to the people. It's been a long time since we rode together and made a video.
Well, we're getting ready to go up to where we going? North Alabama by Opelika to try and pick up a park. We're gonna take that cruise up there and see if we can get what we need.
And we'll probably show you a little bit more along the route and show you when we get to Opelika. We're not taking Willie bike. We're gonna ride together today. So we'll have it off and on during the trip. What do you call this, baby? Where are we?
Opelika right now.
And where are we going?
Camp Hill.
Camp Hill.
Yeah.
Okay.
In Opelika, Alabama, we're going to Camp Hill, Alabama.
Okay. Look at all the bikes. A bike salvage yard. They sell old and new parts, or refurbished parts.
No, it's old and new.
Old and new? Okay. They all back there, y'all.
Look at that.
Hey man, you really want me to help him?
Stomach out.
Mine?
Not mine.
Turn around. They all on the other side of the road over there. I don't know if y'all can see that.
Well, I'm here, my flashlight.
Okay. Well, that's all I'm gonna show y'all for now. Well, people, we are back in Montgomery and on our way to the house. Made a couple of stops. And we got one more stop to make, and then we're going to the house.